Hello, my name is Julie and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make my crochet flower tutorial. I use the size H hook and some horseway yarn, but it does not matter for hook and yarn size, so let's just use what is suitable. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, to get started, we are going to chain 4. Slip stitch with the first stitch, the first chain we made, chain 1, and make 8 single crochet in the ring. I've done 8 single crochet. I'm going to slip stitch with the first single crochet and chain 4. And single crochet in the next single crochet. And chain 3. Single crochet in the next stitch. And I'm going to repeat that around. Slip stitch into the first chain of our chain 4 from the beginning of the round, and we should have 8 chain 3 loops. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We're going to slip stitch into that first chain 3 space, chain 3, and do 9 more double crochets. So that's 1, okay, and then the next loop, and in every single chain 3 loop we're going to make 10 double crochets, and I'm going to do the rest of it and meet you up at the end of the round. Okay, I have finished up the row. Now I'm going to slip stitch. Try to slip stitch into the first single crochet. See, at the top of the chain 3. I'm sorry. There we are. Slip to the top of chain 3. Now again, we're going to chain 3 for our final round. Slip stitch into the next stitch, chain 3, and slip stitch into the next stitch. I'm going to repeat this around and I'll show you how it looks like at the end. All right, we finish up our round, chain 3, and then we're just going to slip stitch at the bottom of the stitch. And then we're going to cut this off and finish it off. And there you have your flower. So if you like this short tutorial, please give it a like. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. And again, thank you for watching. Bye now.